Nice to meet you here. And how are you days? How was your day actually?
Ma'am, my days is going pretty good, and yeah, ma'am, I am fine.
Okay, but your voice is so
And
low. You are not energetic. Why you are not energetic?
ma'am, because I feel uh, under the weather, that's
Okay,
why my voice is little bit
okay.
down.
What happened actually? Something is else like some kind of sickness like a fever, any kind of things.
Yeah, ma'am, little bit cough like that. I'm
Okay,
not able to speak, in a easy way.
okay,
But
okay. Yeah, it's
yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Everyone has facing the problem. When I was like I'm having cold, that time I'm also facing the same kind of issues. So we are not able to speak in a proper way, right? In appropriate way.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So first we will introduce ourselves because we are meeting very first time. So we also know get to each other and our we are also get to know each other. So please introduce
Yes, ma'am.
yourself first.
Okay, ma'am. So, my name is Balwan Singh Kuswaha. I am from UP, district Gajipur. In 2024, I finished my graduation in B.Ed, and right now I am a aspiring learner of English communication skill. And if I'm talking about my hobbies, so when I have a free time, so I love to making post with the help of Canva. So that's all about me.
Okay, so good to know here about you. But I would like to ask, you are saying you are using the Canva. So you are using the Canva for creating the content or for the video
No, ma'am. I just create a Instagram post.
by the Canva.
Yes, ma'am. And also I create a thumbnail also.
Okay, I know that how
Yes,
to create the thumbnail, but I don't know how to create the post for Insta. So can you guide me?
ma'am. Yeah, it's all about your content. Which type of your content. So according that you can also create with the help of Canva. And ma'am, I think Canva is a very easy tool to
Yes.
make any uh, portfolio, resume, and post. So it's very easy to use.
But Instagram, like I'm creating the content of the conversational video on my YouTube channel nowadays. But I was thinking
Yes.
to creating a source, so I don't know how to create a source actually. Like whenever I go went for through the YouTube, so there is the plus sign in my phone. I just click on that. Whenever I try to start recording, that time actually there is a source I am creating, but it's not a proper creating the source. I don't know why it's and how it's work actually. How to use the phone actually in a appropriate way. I just use the system only. I'm also having a conversation, so that is I'm also having by the system. I'm not using the phone. Like I'm using the phone for listening a podcast or like that. But I don't know how to use it. So that is why I'm asking. So Istra, what kind of post you are creating?
Ma'am, I created a post like motivational, inspirational, and awareness like that.
Okay, so you go to the Insta option, like there is the option, like you can create a video, right? There's a presentation like that.
Ma'am, I just create only quote related post, Hindi quote related post.
Okay,
Maybe maybe Krishnaji motivational thought and some actor, Bollywood actor, yeah, inspirational person quote. So I just make a post related that and I just do that.
okay, I don't know about it, but definitely after later on, like I will discuss you about that.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure, ma'am.
so now I will introduce myself. My name is Preeti. I hail from Indore. Yeah, but I born and brought up from a small village. It's not a village, it's a town. So I have completed my degree of MBA. I was working before. Recently I started my YouTube channel that is for the upskilling myself. So that nowadays I just uploaded the conversational video on my YouTube channel. Yeah, but soon I will do some. Before that I also running Angel Subbrokership, but yeah, but I quit because I was thinking, okay, I have to start something else, so that is why I have to upskills first. After upskilling I will start my as career journey. That is less and
Okay.
brief about me.
Okay. So, ma'am, from where you just start your English journey?
Okay, my English journey I have started from the 3 months back. So actually I just applied a one job, so I'm not qualified there. So that is why I was thinking, okay, I have to upskills first, because if I upskills first, then I got a better opportunity by the online, because I'm looking a remote work job. That is why. So that is why like I started from 3 months, but I indulge myself in this language. Like in a whole day, I just try to listen, try to watch, try to conversation. That way, I'm learning this language. So I'm here like that.
Okay. So, ma'am, you are learning this language just because of your professional growth.
Yeah, professional, and I also inculcate my children also.
Okay.
That is why.
So, ma'am, being a housewife and being a mother, I think it's very challenging to manage all the things. So, how can you manage all the things?
Actually, I am managing by all the thing whenever my kids are busy in school. That time I used my time for learning this language. So I try to listen a lot, and whenever I got a chance to speak someone, so that time I also try to speak with them, and I try to listen and reading also. Nowadays I'm also in reading. Before that I'm at least I try to read at least 3 to 4 pages, any kind of story book, and I also wanted Sudha Murthy books nowadays. So I try to read it out, that at least 4 to 5 pages I just go through that and reading, and whatever the new words there I'm getting, so I try to use that new word, and I try to incorporate that word in my communication. So that way I'm learning this language, and I articulate my thoughts. So I think I think it's a language. So people are thinking, okay, we have to put in the efforts. Yeah, initially we have to put the efforts, because without putting the efforts you can't do anything. So we have to put the efforts like for the listening. I just come we have to come out from our comfort zone, because our mother tongue is different, we all knows. So whenever we listen our mother tongue, so we are not habitual with the other language, so we have
Yes.
to come out that language, and we think, okay, we have to learn this language. Now we have to stick ourselves, like stick to English content, stick to consuming English content, try to speak in English. So because that you have to be come out from your comfort zone, then you can try to new things. So that way I also learn. I just come out from our comfort zone. I just avoid Hindi content to consuming. Whenever I watch any reels, anything else, so I just try to listen only in English. And whenever I'm reading something, so I just go through the only reading content, reading English content, not Hindi content. And I also created the environment at my home, like my kids are also watching cartoons, so I try to watch them only English. Like initially they are thinking, okay mama please convert in Hindi, but I said to them, okay you just listen, because they are creating the nowadays, like they get the engage with that English content. But when we can talk about the like who are become older, or like they are grown up, so that is difficult to us to engage in English content, because they are not understanding what they want to say. But if you are talking with them, like I am talking with my children, so they understand what I want to say them, and they whatever they are listening in the cartoon, so they understand easily, they can match all the thing. So that is why they are also learning, I'm also learning. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I think learning any language, it's all about the process. You
Yes.
have to just understand the process, that how can we learn any language, so we can easily learn.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Without we have to take an initiative for that. If you are not taking
Yes.
the initiative, so I think nobody can learn this language. Actually, I have seen many people, they just went for the coaching for learning this language. But coaching is the mentor, they can give the guidance. But if you are not putting your efforts, so how will you learn
Yes.
this language? Because
Yes, ma'am.
you have a gene, you have some purpose. I have seen many people, they are thinking, okay I want to learn this language, but I don't know how can I start. I don't know, like actually my one friend is also here, so she said that, okay I don't know how can I learn this language. So I said her, you have a gene, you have some purpose. If you have a purpose, definitely you will learn, because you
Yes.
think, okay I have to achieve that purpose, then you think, okay I have to work on that. because you don't have a purpose. So that is why you are not thinking, how can I learn this language? I have a purpose. I want to do something like as a professional, as a career. So that, and I want to inculcate my children also this language. So that is why I'm learning. If I don't have a purpose, like I don't have any career, I don't want to make any career, I don't
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
go outside, I just make a housewife only, like I don't want to inculcate my children. So how it's come in my mind, I have to learn this language. Nobody, like if I like if anyone is pushing to me, okay, you learn this language because it's necessary for you, it's necessary for your children, but it's not possible by our thinking, how I am thinking. So it's depend on us. If you are thinking, okay, I have to learn somehow, somewhere, so definitely you will learn. If you are thinking, okay, someone is pushing to me, that is why I learn this language. So like you will learn, but not on that level, whatever the level you want to achieve. For achieving your level, you have to work on that. And you have in your mind also, you have to learn this language, like how to learn this language, and you also find it out the ways, like there is the will, ways also come. What is the, like I am not getting the, what is the thought is that like there is a will or there is a way, like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I would like to ask some questions. So
Yes,
would
ma'am.
you, are you ready for that? Because I didn't prepare any kind of questionnaire for the you, because it's a random conversation. So okay, what is your academic actually? I also forget it.
Ma'am, I finished my graduation B.Ed in 2024.
Okay, so what is your plan, future plan? Like you want to become a teacher?
Uh, Ma'am, I don't have any particular plan for future. Right now, I'm totally inclined to learn this language, and then first I master this language, then I will think.
Okay, so like you done the B.Ed. So anyone suggest to you like you have done the B.Ed, then you will get opportunity as a teacher or something else. Like how it's come in your mind like you have to become do the B.Ed, because some people like who want to become a teacher, they do the B.Ed degree, right?
Uh, yes, ma'am. My father was a teacher, and my father told me that just do B.Ed, then uh, it's good for you. But ma'am, in initial time, it is very difficult for me, because when I observe so many people have done B.Ed, but he didn't get any job. He is struggling to get job. So I make a mind that I didn't do this thing, B.Ed.
Okay.
But after some time in uh, pandemic, I just started teaching in coaching. In this journey, I learned that what is the importance of teaching, and I got some interest in teaching. That's why I just did B.Ed.
Okay. So now future plan you want to become a teacher, I think so.
Maybe, ma'am, because now being a teacher, I think this is a big responsibility.
Yes.
So I just prepare myself. Then
So
I
your
will do.
father is also teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so he will suggest you, right? About your
Yes, ma'am.
family, like your family member is some other person is also teacher. So what kind of life they have?
Uh, Ma'am, yeah, the life is same, and I think this is good according to the person. But in my case, I have a different interest, so that's why.
So you don't want to pursue your interest. So what interest do you have? Like nowadays you are teaching, right? So you done the teaching. So that time you think, okay, I have to done the B.Ed. And now what is your interest? What is your career interest? Like you want to go for the teaching field, or you have a different interest, any other field?
Yeah, ma'am. I have a interest in business,
Okay. So what
ma'am.
kind of business would you like?
Ma'am, there was a time in my life when I don't have any job, and that time I take a step. Let's yeah, start a startup. So I just start with making tea, and I just sell
Okay.
in in market. Then I started making other breakfast like bread pakoda and fast food like that. So I just
Okay.
run for 3 months, and in these 3 months I learned so many things that how can I what is my capability and what is my interest and what can I do. So I have a interest in that field. So yeah, I will try.
So I think you learn so many things by your business, like a small business, but you
Yes,
learn. It's not about to the what is the small, what is the big. It's depend on like how you are learning from that. Like you learn
yes
so
ma'am.
many things, how run the business and what kind of things necessary for running any
Yes.
business, and what kind of capability we have for running any kind of business, for capturing the client, capturing the
Yes.
customer. Because if you are in business field, so you understand what kind of mindset of the people and what kind of area we have to choose for business, like.
Yes.
So because when you are doing any kind of business, so that time we have to observe, we have to analyze all the thing. Without analyzing, like I think nobody can do the business. Because business is the thing, like if anyone want to do any kind of business, so first they have to analyze the thing. By analyzing, you can become a good businessman. And if you are not analyzing any kind of business, so it means you will lacking and you will losing your business also. Because I have seen many businessmen also. I also run so many things where, like after getting kids and before that also. So when you are compete, when you are coming in the market for doing any business, so first I would suggest, like from my video also, like who will be listen our video. So like who are coming in any kind of business, first they have to start to the job. Because job you have to learn from where you learn the discipline, you observe to the client, you understand what is the criteria of business, and you analyze all the thing by the business. And what you observe, your observation, your communication level, and you understand what kind of business is must, what is the thing is must for running any kind of business. And second thing, like when you are starting your business, like first at least 1 year, anyone who are starting their business, so first they have to start to learning by the job. Because when you learn from the job, so you understand everything by your business, like whatever the niche you are choosing for doing the business. First you do the job, then you understand all the thing from there, then you start your business. Because when you start your business, that time you understand what things is necessary for running any business, what capital is required, and what employee and how many people we should hire, and how many people is required for running a small business and a big business. How to
Yes.
we have to follow the hierarchy also when you are
Yes.
running any kind of business. And how many capitals is required. Well, like some people, like what they are doing actually, when they are doing the any kind of business, they just start up, they don't think about the and they are not analyzing any kind of thing, like whatever the this business they want to do, and whatever the niche they are choosing. So they what they are doing, they just go directly jump on the business. They just invest their money, and they are not analyzing the business, what is the niche and what is the criteria and what is the area. And we have to analyze all the things, then we have to start the business. For that is why people have to start their job first, then they have to jump to the business. So when you are
Yes.
jumping to the business, that you understand what is the requirement of our business, what capital should be required, and what is the minimize, and you have to understand what is the profit I come out from that, and what is the equipment, what is the necessary thing it's needed. So like with a small amount, you can run your business also, and you get the
Yes.
profit also. So that is the
Yes.
good way for doing any kind of business. Like you have a good experience of the business of the 3 months. I also have a good experience. So I know that like if you want to any kind of business, like in a service field, in a business field, in a goods field. So first we have to get some experience. Then you understand the hierarchy, their analysis process, their recruitment process, all the thing you learn from there. Then you have to start your business. Definitely you will be success in your business. Because if you are not analyzing, so you will be fail somewhere. because like
Yes.
in to a certain point you think, okay, this is not my cup of tea, we have to lose and we have to exit from this business. So that time you finding the different ways. So that is why, like, if anyone is doing the business, so first they have to start to analyzing all the thing. Like if you don't want to go for the job, so you can talk with us, like your family member. It's depend on our niche, what kind of niche we are choosing. So according to the niche, you have to first learn from that, then you start the business. That is the good way to start any kind of business, because I have a good
Yes.
experience of that.
So, ma'am, do you have a business also?
I have, yeah, I was working before financial advisory. After that, I also business. I do so many things actually. I don't want
Okay.
to show here, but yeah, I have learned from my life experiences, like from business, from job, from like when I got a kid. So that time I also start my business like that also. As an angel one sub-broker, I also run. So I know what criteria is mandatory. First, whenever you want to do any kind of business, first you have to experience that. When you experience, then you know about that how to run the business, what is the
Yes.
necessary thing, because time has been changed. Time like according to the technology also changed, time also changed. So according to that, we have to grow our business. We can't say like all business is running in a earlier time. Everyone is open the shop, right? And when they are open the shop, they just sit there and they are selling their product. But it's not necessary nowadays, it's differently.
Yes.
Nowadays technology, they are advertised by the online. So we have to adopt the technology also according
Yes.
to the time. If we are not adopting the technology, it means you are losing your business also, because there is so many competitor whenever you are running any kind of business. So first, for competing them, you have to understand, you have to analyze your business, you have to adopting the new things also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I think okay, it's a random conversation, I don't have any question. So I would like to ask, okay, so what is your experience about your business?
Ma'am, it's a lovely experience about my business, and ma'am, when I quit my business, that time I need some employee and I need some fund. That time I realized that what is the core of business and how any business can run. So yeah, so I learned so many things when I I free in this work. I just jump into business. I will do.
Okay, so now future plan is going for the business, right?
Yes, ma'am.
First you
Ma'am.
earn the money,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
we have
Ma'am,
enough money for running any business.
and ma'am, in my family, I faces so many financial issues. That's why I decide myself that I will be the rich person in my family.
Definitely you will be become, if you have a bill, your hope is also generated by that. So yeah, definitely if anyone is become a businessman, so they have a zeal, they have to understand, they have to learn so many things. But
Yes, ma'am.
if you want to become a businessman, so you have a enough fund also for doing any kind of business. Like some bad consequences is also coming in any kind of business. So for that you have some money. So like whatever the profit you are getting, you have to just save your money for other thing. So when bad consequences come, so you have to use that money, because when some people, what they are doing actually, they are starting their business, and when they are running their business, so we can't say, like we never know what difficulties faces, where we what kind of challenges has come in running the business. So that is why we understand what thing is happen in future, we don't know. So we have to be prepared ourselves for that. For preparing, we have to enough fund also. Without enough fund, I think nobody can't run the business. Sometimes point they are also lacking, they are also losing their business. So that is why
So,
we
ma'am,
have to, yes.
ma'am, can we start any business with a small amount also?
Yes, definitely. You can start. It's depend on you. What kind of business do you want to start? So, like
Uh,
your
Ma'am,
specialty.
yes, ma'am. Just because of ma'am, I just start my this business, I think at least 10 or 15 rupees, and I just
Okay.
convert into 1000.
So now you understand better how to run the business, because you start with the 15 to 20 rupees. Now you are earning from there 1000 rupees, right? So how you
Yes,
achieve that goal? Because you have a zeal, you want to become a businessman. That is why you understand very small, like you are very younger, I think so. So you run that business, definitely you will run a big business also. But you have to learn from
yes, ma'am.
every failure, like because I had one
Yes,
conversation before you. So actually we are discussing about the failure. Failure is the learning phase. Like if you are failure, it means you are learning from that. If you learn, then you will be a success in future.
and ma'am, I am a very young, and when I started, then many customer said to me that said that you are a young and I have a suggestion for you. You just follow it. So that time I feel so nervous and like that I am so young, and behind me nobody is there to support me. But yeah, I this is the journey.
Right, right. But you are very young, or you are learning this like learning this language, and you are doing the business. That is the
Yes, ma'am.
good thing for become a good businessman, because you have a good command on your communication. When anyone is saying something, so you have an answer of that. If you have an answer, nobody speak. Like they will be quiet. So for that, you yes, yes.
And ma'am, nowadays you have to activate your two income source. The first is passive income, and the second is active income.
Right.
So yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, like if you are doing the business, so I think no business is small or big. It's depend on you. Like I have seen many people, they are running their small kind of shop, and they are using the selling the tea also. But they are
Yes,
just
ma'am.
mentioning their name like very good way. They just advertise of that. So they are also earning well. So how can you
Yes,
say they
ma'am.
are not a good businessman?
It's
They can also
depend
a
upon
good.
your yes, ma'am. It's depend upon your vision and your dream and how can
Right.
you expand your business. So all about you.
Have you heard the name of the, I think, Chai Wala? I think I also forget it of her actual
Dolly
name.
Chaiwala.
Dolly Chai Wala. Look where he is standing. He just explored the country. He just given the franchisee also in other country. So now he is a
Yes,
big
ma'am.
businessman. How he has done. So why we can't do? We can do,
Yes.
but it's depend on us how we are mindset, what we are thinking of their business. So
How
now
we
he is
obsessed
exploring
with that.
how we
Yes,
obsessed
ma'am.
with that, right? And
Yes,
how
yes.
he is exploring all the country. He just giving the
Yes, ma'am.
franchisee and earning the money from that also.
Yes, ma'am. And many people also doubt that he just
Yeah.
selling a tea. What can I do? But right now he's doing such
Nobody
a
knows that.
amazing. Yes,
Nobody
ma'am.
knows that where you standing in future. So we have
Yeah.
to work on our skills, and we have to learn so many things by our failure.
Yes.
Like you failure, you understand what difficulties I faced, what mistakes I had done. So from your mistaken, you overcome and you learn. Now you are working on your communication. Definitely it will help for you for doing any kind of business, because if you have a good command on your communication, so that will really helpful for any kind of business, because people understand, you understand to listening capacity, how they are speaking, what they are saying, what they want actually. First thing is that what is the business actually. Business is means whatever you are selling. It means there is not mean like you selling your product if they want or they don't want. Business means whatever their desire, we have to fulfill their desire. That is the
Yes, ma'am.
right thing. So we have to understand the client mindset. What we have to understand the client mentality. What they want. Actually, what they want, we have to fulfill their desire and their their wishes according to their demand. Like people, what they are doing actually, they are doing the business. People don't know what actually they just say their product only, whatever whenever they are just going, like you are you have already the business. So like you don't know what is the desire and what is the wishes and what is the demand of the people. So how will you create the demand, like how will you create your product? So you understand their demand, then you have to make your product according to them. That
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
good way to running any business.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, right now, Zepto, Swiggy is going on.
Yeah.
So when I think 1 year later, before Zepto is now new thing, yeah, in our city. That time I have an idea that Zepto rider has no
Yes.
any type of food schedule, because they have don't enough time to eat properly. So I just make idea that I just make a tea for them and I just sell it, so it will
Yeah.
going so
So
well.
we have to understand the demand. What is the demand of your area?
Yes, ma'am.
Like you are doing
Yes.
business in your area. So what is the main demand? Like if you are running any business, like there is already the competitor. So why you are doing that
Yes,
kind
ma'am.
of business? First
And
you
ma'am,
have to find it out the ways, like
yeah,
something creative.
because around my room there are so many people are selling tea, but I am also making tea for a specific person, so it will going so good.
Yeah, that is the good way. Like you are running business now, you in future you will be become a good businessman. For that you have to analyze all the things. First we have to
Yes, ma'am.
understand the client demand, what they want. According to that we have to modulate.
Yes, ma'am. And whenever I free time, and whenever I came across any Shark Tank video, then I found that many founder will come and pitch our idea. I think
Yes.
nowadays we have to just aware what's going on in our world society. So every uh, we can find any loop and we just make any business from them.
Right, right. Absolutely correct. So that is
Yes,
the good conversation, I think so. So it's a
yes,
meaningful conversation. It will be really helpful for our viewers.
and
They also learn from our video how to run the business, right?
ma'am,
Yes.
I want to say something that I think this conversation is very easy for me, because when I started, then I feel that we are a family and we talk like in a very easy and very calm way. So it's very good for me, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice to meet you and great conversation here. So that will really helpful for our viewers. They also learn how they can run their business and how small business can be become our big business, right? Because
Yes,
you also
yes,
run their business and you know what is the criteria we have to follow. Then you will be become a big businessman. Okay, sir.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Nice
Thank
to
you,
meet
ma'am.
you. Yeah. Bye.
Nice to meet you. Bye, ma'am.